we're here at the creek, gonna try to get on some fish. Probably a bunch of bluegill. Green sunfish. Little tiny hook, and then I'm gonna test out these gulp today. Let's see, small hook. I'll just try a small piece. Thread it through like that. Try to have only a little wiggly tail. I'll pull off the extras. This should be cool. See if anything's here. First drop. Let's see. Weightless. I don't know why it's stuck. It's also like 12 o'clock now. A little late in the day. Not sure if we'll get any takers at this hour. Put it a little farther out there. Oh. I think something's got it. Yeah, my line's moving. Something's got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, it popped off. That was quick. Oh. Oh. Right there. Green sunfish on the Berkley Gulp. I'd had clean hands today. Make sure I didn't have any real worms on me, so I went straight to these first. Caught him right in the upper lip. Ah, shit, he's poking me. Got the release. He was feisty. Well, there you have it. Berkley Gulp 1, fish 0.